Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S25 stuck on Samsung Loop. If you're using Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your phone is stuck on Samsung logo loop, so you just have to make a force restart to fix this. Now for this, you have to press and hold the volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds here. Just press and hold the volume down and the power button. Your phone will be forcibly restarted from its boot menu or from its power on or shut on menu. So you just have to wait for this. You must see a black screen first. After a black screen, you will see a Samsung logo again here. And once you see the Samsung logo, now you have to release the buttons and wait for your phone until it restarts. So this time your phone will be completely restarted and you may not get that issue that your phone has been stuck on a Samsung logo or it's not turning on. So you may not get that issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.